Welcome back to Vernon's Speakeasy. Today we're gonna beat the heat by giving them the good old Razzle Dazzle, which is a cocktail that we've made that happened to also win one of our Vernon's cocktail competitions. It was for Cosmos. Now I know Cosmo is almost hard to break away from, but I think I was able to stick to the original bases, even changing a little bit of juice, changing a little bit of what we've got going in, and still was able to get kind of a Cosmo feel, blended almost with a lemon drop. But whenever you're talking about a Cosmo, you almost have to go directly what a Cosmo is. So in a competition, you get a little bit more fun with it. So we'll go right in. So we're doing Absolute Peach Vodka, 1 full ounce. Those extra drippings on the side, that's all just bonus. Don't worry about those. Half ounce of peach schnapps. Now we're just using Mr. Boston's. A lot of times if we use less ingredients in a cocktail, that's when we use more expensive liqueurs and more expensive schnapps. But when it has so many going into it, you can kind of get away with doing a little bit less expensive because the flavors are still there. So just half an ounce there. We're gonna do a full ounce of honey syrup. It also is going to take a full ounce of lemon juice. And what really sets this cocktail just slightly apart is a little bit of delicious Chambord, okay? Just a great raspberry liqueur, half ounce in there. All we need after that, I already put my ice in because I'm a cheater, is a quick, simple shake. A beautiful strain. And then last but not least, to finish off this cocktail, all you need is a little bit of dehydrated lemon. And perfect cocktail to beat the summer heat. It is a delicious Razzle Dazzle. Thanks for joining us at Vernon's Speakeasy. Be sure to like and subscribe down below and check out our other social media channels. Last but not least, we do have a jazz dinner coming up at the beginning of June and a fantastic bourbon dinner pairing. Do not forget to sign up, especially for that bourbon dinner, otherwise you're going to regret missing out. See you next time.